All right, congratulations on getting the MeatAlert sensor that's going to help you protect your meat so you know and you get notified by text and email if your freezer ever loses power. All right, so this is the setup on the cloud service. Don't let that overwhelm you if you're not a techie person. I'm going to walk you through it. So you might not have your device yet. If it hasn't come in the mail, wait for it to come in the mail, and then save the email that this link came in. And when you get the device in the mail, simply go back to the email and open up this video again. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your device out of the box and you're going to plug it in to the wall. Doesn't matter, any wall outlet. Just plug it in and it'll power on. Have a little orange light probably light up on it. All right, and then on your laptop or your phone, you're going to go to your settings and you're trying to switch Wi-Fi networks. So I'm going to click here to my Wi-Fi network, and you're going to see one called Proteus Setup with some long number on it. All right, Proteus is simply the cloud service company that allows you and I to get these emails and text alerts when our freezers lose power. All right, so you're going to click that, and as you do, it'll take maybe 5 seconds and a window pops up. Here we go. All right. Now, if that window does not pop up for any reason, all you would do is you go up here to search bar like you're going to type in a website, whatever, website.com, and instead you would type in these numbers, 192 period 168 period 4 period 1, and then click enter. Now that's also in the instructions that come in the box in case you need to see or hear that somewhere else. But anyway, that will bring up this box here. All right, so we come down here. We need to connect to your Wi-Fi. Now, you're going to look down here and look for your Wi-Fi network. Here's the thing. Don't miss this. If you don't see your Wi-Fi network here, don't freak out. But there's a glitch somewhere in techno space, all right, where if you have an HP printer, a Hewlett-Packard printer, go right now and unplug that printer. I have no idea why it messes with this, but it does. So if you don't see your Wi-Fi network listed, go unplug your HP printer. You can plug it back in later. All right, and then your network should pop right up. If not, just close this window, get off the Proteus Wi-Fi, go back to your normal, and then reconnect to the Proteus Wi-Fi, which will bring up this window again, and it'll be there. All right, so here's mine. All right, I've got to type in this big, long, horrible Wi-Fi password. So I'm doing that here. Hopefully yours is easier than mine. 30, 1278. All right, so I'm doing that. I go down here, select my time zone. I am in the great state of Texas, so I'm in Central Time. Primary email, using old email here. And you can add a second one, but just remember, this first one you add, that's going to be your login, your username for login, okay? So I'm just going to leave that here for now. So save settings. This thing's going to count down. Just got to wait for it. All right, I just heard a loud beep from my device. You probably heard that. That's just that thing doing its thing. And then it says, all set, your sensor is up and running. Check your email for important information. So you would go and you check your email. It would have any information you need in there. All right, so that is pretty much it. All right, now what you would do is just go back up and reconnect to your home Wi-Fi, your office Wi-Fi, whatever you have, where you are. If you have any questions about this, you can call the number. It's in that little, actually you can go to ProteusHub.com. That's all in the information packet anyway. Or you can call them, I just had it right here, at 347-674-4501. All right, so this is how you easily set up your device on your Wi-Fi. Now all you would do at this point is just unplug your device from the wall, go plug it, attach the sensor to your freezer cord, attach that to the sensor with the auxiliary plug. You'll see when you have it in your hands, it's just you plug the two pieces together and you re-plug that piece into the wall next to your freezer. And that's it. That sucker will light up green, and it'll start screaming if you lose power, and it'll send you a text message and email up to you and up to, I think, 5 other people in case you're off the grid or something. So that's it. Hope this helps. Contact us with any questions you may have.